Hey everyone, welcome back to Unwind Vibes. Today we're slowing things down and diving into the world of Yin Yoga. If you're looking for a way to deeply relax, stretch, and restore balance in both your body and mind, Yin Yoga might be exactly what you need. Let's explore the incredible benefits of this gentle yet powerful practice. Yin Yoga is a slow-paced style of yoga that involves holding passive poses for an extended period, typically 3 to 5 minutes or even longer. Unlike more active forms of yoga, Yin Yoga targets the deeper connective tissues like your fascia, ligaments, and joints, helping to improve flexibility and mobility over time. One of the key benefits of Yin Yoga is its ability to increase flexibility. By holding poses for several minutes, you allow your body to gently release tension in the muscles and connective tissues. This can lead to increased range of motion, making everyday movements feel easier and more fluid. Yin Yoga isn't just about stretching though, it's also deeply restorative for your mind. The stillness and focus on breath help calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and cultivate mindfulness. This practice encourages you to slow down, tune into your body, and let go of any tension or anxiety. The long-held postures in Yin Yoga also help improve circulation and stimulate the flow of energy or chi throughout your body. This can enhance your overall sense of well-being and leave you feeling more balanced and centered, both physically and emotionally. So if you're looking for a way to increase flexibility, release tension, and find a deep sense of calm, Yin Yoga is a beautiful practice to explore. Whether you're new to yoga or looking to complement a more active practice, Yin Yoga offers a space for restoration and inner peace. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Unwind Vibes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a moment of relaxation.